In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and protect cells and data in Google Sheets. This is a really useful skill when you're sharing a spreadsheet with other people, and you want to make sure certain cells stay exactly the way you set them. Let's jump straight into it. Start by opening Google Sheets in your web browser. Once the home page loads, look at your recent files list and click on the spreadsheet you want to work with. Give it a moment to fully load so you can see the spreadsheet grid on your screen. Once it opens, you should see a sample sales sheet with several rows of data. There are columns for the client email, the deal value, the approved discount, and the final total. These are the columns we'll be protecting in just a moment. Now let's select the cells that need to be locked. Move your cursor to cell D2, which is the first cell in the client email column, and click on it. With that cell selected, hold down your mouse button and drag across to the right, and then down the sheet until the entire range from D2 to G6 is highlighted in blue. You'll see the selection cover all 4 columns and all 5 rows of the sample data. With those cells highlighted, go up to the top menu bar and click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, find and click the option that says Protect Sheets and Ranges. As soon as you click it, a sidebar titled Protected Sheets and Ranges will slide open on the right side of your spreadsheet. In that sidebar, click the button that says Add a Sheet or Range. The sidebar will now expand to show you a couple of input fields and tabs. Click the description field at the very top of the sidebar so your cursor lands inside it. Now type a clear protection name that describes what you're locking. Something descriptive helps you remember the purpose of this protection later when you come back to the sheet. Underneath that, you'll see 2 tabs labeled Range and Sheet. Click on Range if it isn't already selected. Then look at the range field just below those tabs, and confirm it shows the highlighted cells, which should read D2 to G6. If that range field happens to be blank for any reason, click inside it and type the cell range manually as D2:G6, so it matches the selection you made earlier. Once the range is correct, move down to the bottom of the sidebar and click the blue button labeled Set Permissions. This will open a new window titled Range Editing Permissions, where you'll decide exactly who is allowed to make changes inside those locked cells. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Inside that permissions window, click the option that says Restricted, who can edit this range. This tells Google Sheets that you want to limit editing rather than just show a warning. Right below that option, you'll see an Editor drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to open the list of choices. From the list, click Only You, which means you'll be the only person able to make changes to those specific cells going forward. After choosing that, look in the bottom right corner of the window and click the green Done button to save your settings. The permissions window will close, and the sidebar on the right will now display your protected range along with a small lock icon next to its name, confirming the protection is active. And that's it. The range from D2 to G6 is now fully protected, which means only you, as the sheet owner, can edit the client emails, the deal values, the approved discounts, and the final totals inside those rows. Anyone else who opens the spreadsheet will be able to view those numbers, but they won't be able to change them. You'll also notice a faint striped overlay across those cells, which is a visual confirmation from Google Sheets that the cells are locked and protected. You can repeat this same process for any other ranges in your spreadsheet that need the same level of protection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.